Hello and welcome to Maximity's Next 2 Minute Tuesday. My name is Bronya and my microphone broke before I could record my intro. If you want to check all the formulas at the same time without having to click into a cell and potentially mess anything up, or you've been sent this spreadsheet and you're not sure what cells contain formulas and which one just contain values, click on the Formulas tab to bring up the ribbon and then select Show Formulas. Now, instead of showing the results of the formulas in cell G2 and columns D and F, we now see the formulas. You will need to click on Show Formulas again to turn it off. There are two other options called Trace Precedence and Trace Dependence. If you select a cell with a formula in and click on Trace Precedence, Excel will show some arrows that indicate which cells affect the value of the currently selected cell. If you select Trace Dependence, it will indicate any cells that are affected by the value in that cell. I'm going to select cell D4, which has the total amount payable to the actor Jim Pickens. When I select Trace Precedence, it's showing me that this cell contains a formula that references cells B4 and C4. To remove these arrows, select Remove Arrows. Now, with D4 selected, I'm going to select Trace Dependence, and we can see that the value in this cell is used in two other formulas, the remaining budget formula on the datasheet in cell G2, as well as the remaining budget formula on the main sheet.